Lots of nature, guys.
That's a lot of paperwork.
Done.
All we have to do is have the parents sign the waiver. I'm sure they would.
Dun,
We'll get them running faster.
Look at the wind.
Yeah, no,
Now they duck and leave and then can't get away from it.
Look, it's so beautiful. I know, right? Look at all the houses.
That bullet can reach around corners.
Oh dear.
Okay. That's if they know where I'm at.
Devin goes off course. That's if we know where he's at.
Oh dear. People arguing, of course. We turn into my household. Man, I can't show you where I live, but like I live in Indiana, obviously. Why wouldn't I? There were doggies back there. Oh man.
Yeah,
Hello, who are you? What you talking about, car? Yeah, sorry.
I threw it to you.
Alright, let's get out of the car.
You want the whoa! You gotta do the whoa!
Alright. Hey, y'all! Okay, I gotta go inside. Yeah? No? Let's see how Evie reacts. Oh, she's so excited. I'm here, I'm here. Aww.
Hey!
Come here.
You go outside? Come on, good boy.
Alright, I'm going outside with them.
Come here.
Evie, go! Go get a squirrel! Go get a squirrel! And come here, Evie!
Come here.
Woo! Oh, you're going inside, alright. They shut the door on her. Go get Bobby! Go get Bobby!
Where are you going?
Wow! Man, come here! Me and Evie, come here. Okay, you know what? Come here, come here. Yeah. Go get Evie! Go get Bobby! Go get him! Evie, go get Bobby!
Come here.
Go get Bobby! Come on!
Come here.
Oh dear. Who's your good girl?
Oh, you go, girl.
And there she runs. Run.
Inside?
Inside? You want inside?
Go inside. Get a squirrel. Hey.
Go get a squirrel!
Hey, come here.
Dear Lord. I can't play, alright?
Videotaping everything.
Yeah, no, I can't. Oh gosh. Ooh, what's for food? Food.
I don't know. Seems like
Oh gosh, Evie. Ooh, we got some potato fries. Whatever that is. Steak.
Stop.
Get food. There we go. Delicious, I know, right? Hey, kitty, how you doing? Oh, you wanna? Wow. All right. Oh man. Feel good. I don't even know what this is. Like, what is it? It's like potatoes. Potatoes. What you watching? I don't like the show. I hope you like and subscribe and stuff, guys. It really means a lot to me.